Hello everyone. So we're gonna go in and see how KC Plumbing did on my job today. This is day number 2. Find my dog. Come on. Okay, here she comes. And here I see water lines. I'm gonna have a wash basin here, like a utility sink here, toilet, and of course a urinal. And then in the guest bath, this fella's gonna sit against here. I got my water lines here. So water supply line for the toilet, the waste. I'm not sure where the what kind of shower drain I'm going to have. If you don't know what a linear drain is, it's basically a long drain going from side to side. And I was thinking about shaving the joist down here, lowering the floor, and then building it back up with material you need a tile with. So it's just one level surface all the way into the shower, and putting a linear drain right here. So you can see all the vents are all tied together here. They may have not gotten the washer vent over here yet. There's my supply lines for my tub. Looks like the drain isn't quite just there yet. Here's my in-wall tank, which is kind of unusual. This is all one blow molded piece of plastic, no chance of leaking. The only mechanicals are behind this plate, and I don't think I can open this one-handed. Yes, I can. I have a flusher plate here. It's chrome. You don't want to know how much that plate alone cost. That toilet mounts on the wall instead of in the floor, on the floor. So we'll see how that works. And let's see, we have a bathtub here. We're not sure what side the supply or the drain's going to go on. This is going to be the sink. I'm trying to keep water lines, as many lines as I can, out of the exterior wall. So I built this kind of fake wall here. Okay, so it's not fastened in yet. The little OD box, I could take the straps out of that. I can remove this wall. I'm going to get insulation in there. Now I'm going to put this wall back. This is what I was looking at earlier. Seems like this vent goes up, but that is not connected yet. So we have a few things left to do, and by golly, I think I might have a shower potentially by the end of the week. Then I'll have to bust my butt on getting just this area insulated, and downstairs, which I'm going to take you right now. Let's go downstairs, shall we? Let's turn on the party lights. Look at this, guys. This is like artwork. Look at it. It's beautiful. I know it sounds weird to describe plumbing like that, but man, I just could not be happier. And this is why I hunted this guy down. His name's Brad from KC Plumbing. Highly recommended, in my opinion. I'm no plumber, but to me, this is just beautiful work here. Uh-oh, Brad, you forgot the clean out. Anyway, there you have it. KC Plumbing. A professional job. Look at this. Okay.